This video is going to be how to tone out a surge arrestor to tell whether it is good or bad. First thing to do is locate the surge arrestor in question. 1 and 2. Here is the surge arrestor. You're going to want to place a flathead screwdriver in the terminal above terminal 1 and terminal 2 to release the surge arrestor. The next step is to take your voltmeter and put it to continuity. We're going to take our probes, make sure it works, and they should ring. We are then going to check the surge arrestor. Put one prong on one end and one on the other. If the surge arrestor is good, it will not tone. If it is bad, it will tone. It works in the opposite way of a fuse. If the surge arrestor is bad, it will blow the fuse on the correlating circuit.